Amid all the clamour and weeks of unrelenting protests, the examination results of the NEET UG are out. In fact, the National Testing Agency has released the NEET UG 2024 result today on its official website. Let's tell you, the publication of the results comes after the top court had earlier directed the NTA to announce the NEET UG results by July 20th, that's today by noon. Now, the court mandated that the agency publish the students' marks on its website without revealing their identities. What's important to note is that this year, the NTA NEET UG examination was conducted on May 5th across 4,750 centres. The results were initially announced on June 4th. Now, re-examination for affected candidates took place on June 23rd. Approximately 24 lakh candidates appeared for the main examination and 1,563 candidates took the re-exam. All right, so that is, of course, essentially the latest that we're given to understand. Akanksha, my colleague, joins me for more. Akanksha, very good afternoon. Clearly, this is right after the Supreme wrap. In terms of the timing of earlier, legally speaking, of course, what the Supreme Court had directed. But more importantly, with what we've seen in the past couple of weeks, as far as this entire saga is concerned, we're given to understand the results are out. Having said that, what's a key takeaway that our viewers should understand from this?
Well, absolutely. Good morning to you. Good afternoon, in fact, to you too. The Supreme Court, remember, day before yesterday, had ordered the National Testing Agency to publish these results, specifying the centre, the state, as well as the centre number, without giving away the identity of the students. And now that result is finally out. Let me show you. This is the website of the the NTA. And remember, Jhajjar was one of the centre. There was a centre by the centre name 230701, which was under the scanner, because there were 6 students here who got the perfect score of 720. Now, let me show you. The centre name is Haryana. The state is Haryana. Centre city is Jhajjar. Name is Hardayal Public School. And this is the centre number 230701, which was under the scanner. Now, let me show you the results here. In the last result, there were 6 students here who got the perfect result. But that is currently not reflected anywhere here. No student here has the perfect score of 720. This is the, in fact, the centre which was under scanner. There are several other, one in Bihar as well, which is under the scanner. So this result is now out. They have revealed the state, the centre number, and everything except for the identity of the students. Remember, this is after the direction that was given by the Supreme Court. 24 lakh students had given this exam in as many as more than, in fact, 4,000 centres across more than 500 cities. So now that result is finally out on the direction of the Supreme Court. In this particular one that I showed you, there's absolutely no mention of the student who got the perfect score of 720 the last time. Back to you.
Right, Akanksha. In fact, as you draw things into perspective, probably it would help our viewers better understand what you essentially showed us. But stay with me. I understand you're tracking more